Welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is 128 gigabytes, and this is the 5G variant. And this one, the seller actually told me that he didn't, or she didn't have any lavender units, despite what the listing picture showed. So I was sent a black variant, but this is a Verizon variant. But as always, let's go ahead and let's just get started with this opening. So the reason why I bought this phone is just because I want to try a folding phone for the first time since I've never tried one. This is not too bad, and I know I bought this intentionally with a bad pixel because it was a lot cheaper than buying a working one. I know folding phones are not the most durable. Just go ahead and let's rip this package open. And I'm doing it like this so that way you guys, because the address label is on the other side. Alright, so here is the actual phone itself, so let's go ahead and let's... Alright, appears this will be best done with scissors. Alright, so here is the actual phone. Let's take a look at what we have in here. So it shows my address, okay. That's all that's in here. This is very well packaged. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at the actual phone. Okay, so it's in worse condition than the listing picture showed. Let's go ahead and let's turn this phone on. We're off to a great start here, people. Folding this phone actually felt not quite as satisfying as I thought, but it's not like an old school flip phone, but it still doesn't feel bad to fold. Okay, I guess this unit is flat, so I'm going to go ahead and charge this, and I'll get back to you once this thing is booted. So I've been using this phone as sort of a side phone to my iPhone 14 Pro for the past 24 hours. This is a day later that I'm filming this part. The things I like about this phone are that it's a flagship Android phone that can technically be a competitor to my iPhone 14 Pro, which I'm filming this video on, for only $125. I mean, this does have a big scratch in the screen, which I did check, and the seller did technically tell me about this big scratch, which is all right because you don't really notice it when using it. And furthermore, this doesn't have a dead pixel, which is really nice because I was initially paid for one for dead pixel. And another reason why I got this phone is so that way I could have a better backup camera for my videos, because I currently use one of my iPhone 11 Pro Max for that, and it does the job. But I just want something that was a little bit newer, and so I'll probably be using this for my backup camera. My videos, if I have to feature my iPhone 14 Pro in it. But some things I don't particularly like are if you close it. Now, typically you should expect the cover screen to wake up immediately. However, it doesn't. It takes like several taps, which is really annoying. And I don't think this is all that useful, generally speaking, just because you can display some more information on a smartwatch. But not everybody carries a smartwatch, so I guess I see the point of this. I mean, back cameras are better, so I guess you could somehow use it as a camera control to see the back camera view, which I haven't gotten working yet, but again, I've only had this for a day. One thing I did notice today is that I brought this to school, and a lot of kids did find the school just have just to have a folding phone that folds. I mean, a folding phone technically does sound cool on the face of it. However, in reality, it's a bit of a gimmick, because whilst this may seem more compact, this folded up is twice as thick as this iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's still is significantly thicker than my iPhone 14 Pro in a thick OtterBox case, which just goes to show you how thick this is. This is otherwise a pretty cool side phone to have, and I can't wait to use this more. And do I recommend buying this? I mean, if you're okay with buying a used phone, if you want to have a folding phone, then I mean, it's reasonably priced, so why not? However, this just isn't for me, especially because I'm invested in the Apple ecosystem, but that'll do it for this video. So as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out.